All right, so today we are going to set up NordVPN running in a Docker container. This is a really useful tool because we can actually route all of our containers through their VPN service and thus protecting our containers from the internet. So what we're going to be doing is we're actually using a combination of NordVPN's build, but also with Gluten, which is part of the image here. It's kind of like an open source project. Makes it super simple. It's very easy to do. I actually have a link down below in the description where I have the instructions written out for this. And I'm also going to include the actual Docker Compose YAML so you can literally copy and paste this for yourself and get yourself rocking and rolling. It has a environmental variable text file where you would literally put your name and your service password in there. It saves it within it, and it launches all together. It's very, very simple to do and use. So in order to get started, first up, you should go and download these files from my site. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to log into NordVPN into your account. So they've recently redesigned their website. What you're going to do is when you go to the homepage, you're just going to click on NordVPN. We are going to go to set up NordVPN manually. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to go over to service credentials. And yours will probably say that you need to verify through email. So you just click that. They're going to email you a code. You enter the code right in here. It's like a 6-digit code. And then it reveals your credentials. So these are your service credentials for your device. So you just literally copy each of these and you would paste it directly after the equal sign here. So open VPN _user, paste username, paste your service pass, hit save. That's going to save. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up a terminal window and you're going to make sure that you're in the folder that you've saved these files to. So for me, this is where mine is. If I were to do pwd, just so you could see, I'm in my downloads folder. I'm in this folder. So that's this right here. Very simple, okay? And what you're going to do is you're basically going to do Docker Compose up with the switch D, and it's literally going to build everything that we need for this to run. And we're going to go in here and we're going to see that this is now running and it's connecting and doing everything that we expect it to do. So it is literally, we're on the bleeding edge of the latest. It's connected and we're already rocking and rolling. So again, hop over to my site, and if you go over there, there's a special deal. If you're not yet a NordVPN user, there's a special deal there. And the files, everything you need, all in one place. Just go ahead and click that link. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.